So I cleaned my windshield real good. Then I put wax on it. And then I put Rain-X on it. The Rain-X works really good. Watch when I clear the windshield. It's a lot safer. It all bubbles up. It works really good. I like it. Everybody should have a clean windshield for safety. I did this in my car and the van. I just put the Rain-X on. I didn't put wax. I need to wax the van's windshield and put the Rain-X on. I completely cleaned this windshield inside and out, and then I put car wax on the outside and then Rain-X. It works really good. Safer too.